So for any of you guys that don't know how to put this thing back in the LG fridge, is the fridge, I struggled with this for like almost 30 minutes because I didn't know how to put this thing back. So you're supposed to put, how I did it, I put this one first. The bottom parts, as you can see, this bottom part has to go like under this side. The left and the right side is supposed to go under, and I was trying to put it like on top of it. This little thingy. This right here is supposed to go in the middle of this part and this part. I know it's just trust me on this. Go like this, and this one's the same one, same way. Make sure this is aligned like this, and you can feel the difference. It'll be sturdy. So just for future references, or anybody that been looking at this on YouTube, because I tried to look for it and I could not find it until I figured it out myself. And yeah, I broke this part, but I think I can put it back. I don't know. But this is it, you guys. Hold on, let me put this, if I can put it while with the camera. Oh, darn it, if I can focus. Let's see, this, and let's see. Oh, it's perfect. It's all flat. So yeah, that's how you do it, you guys. Just letting you know before you go crazy like I did.